let them play. Lucy, stop. Peanut, stop regulating. Peanut, Peanut, stop regulating. Go ahead, Marcy, play. Peanut's not the umpire. Keiko, get out here. Come on, Cakes. Come on, Keiko. Come on, Keiko. Come on. Come on, Keiko, get involved in this. Come on. Get him. Oh, there goes Lily Pad. Woohoo. Lily. Not so rough. Not so rough. Peanut. Quit being the umpire. Oh, boy. Keiko said, I'm not having it. Keiko! Keiko! She disappeared. Keiko! I guess she went back in the house. Keiko, come back here. Keiko! Keiko!